Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk a certain topic which is maybe it's going to be confused for all of the people, for all of the citizens in Indonesia. But before we start, let us to introduce ourselves. My name is Intan Zahra.
And my name is Juliana.
So for today's topic, there is a certain question that we got. It's about, can we believe the government of Indonesia? So you'll go first. Do you think that we can still believe Indonesia's government?
I think there is no single reason why we have to trust the Indonesian government. Trust is complex and depends many factors, including personal experience, the information we receive, and the values we hold. However, I have some things that could lead someone to not fully trust the Indonesian government. The one of is corruption. Corruption remains a serious issue in Indonesia, and many people feel that the government is not doing enough to combat it. It is important to remember that everyone has the right to have their own views about the government.
Criticism.
Criticism and skepticism towards the government are normal in democracy. However, it is also important to remain critical of the information we receive and not be easily shocked by inaccurate information.
Yeah, actually, I don't really agree with that. If we are talking about the corruption, that's the fatal thing. But as we know, we have to also see the another thing, like the positive impact that is made by the government of Indonesia itself. Actually, if we talk about, we don't need to trust Indonesia's government. It depends on the context. What are you going to talk about that is made by government, and also what are you referring to is about transparency or maybe policies and also commitment to democracy. So here I am going to talk about why we have to still believe in Indonesia's government. The first is about, we can see from the democracy system. Indonesia is a democratic government with regular accountability. That means there is some level of accountability to the people. We are free to choose the leader of the government itself. And also the second reason why we can still believe in Indonesia's government, it's about economic growth and also infrastructure. We can see from like social media and also the data from economic growth, Indonesia has made the high progress from the economic growth. Like there is a stable thing that is made by the government of Indonesia. By increasing the economic growth from Indonesia, it can fix all of the like infrastructure, and also it can create jobs, and also another thing can help from that thing because of the growth of economic itself. And the last is, as we can see, there is I don't know how to say in English. It's called KPK in Bahasa. it's a like suggestion for the citizens in Indonesia to fight the corruption, even though it doesn't work 100%, but that's one solution that is given by the government. So for punishing all of corruptor in Indonesia, we cannot guarantee 100%. So I think that's the reason why I still can believe Indonesian's government, or maybe trust Indonesian's government. For today's discussion, that's enough for us. I hope you guys can take some lessons or maybe some opinions that you can get from us. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.